Rodrigo Duterte will be going on trial in The Hague. Judges at the International Criminal Court have confirmed charges against the former president of the Philippines. Duterte is accused of the crimes against humanity of murder and attempted murder over his war on drugs, deadly crackdowns he allegedly oversaw while he was mayor of Davao City and later when he was president. These charges involve dozens of alleged murders, but rights groups say they're only a fraction of the real death toll. More on that in a moment. Duterte wanted the ICC to throw out the case, arguing the court doesn't have jurisdiction because the Philippines isn't a member of the ICC. He argued if he is to stand trial, then it should be in a Filipino court. Judges rejected his appeal. Duterte's lawyer said he wasn't surprised by the decision.
The International Criminal Court at the present moment in time is in a state of crisis. The court really does need something to fill up its docket with, to fill up the courtrooms with, and the former president of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, is essentially the only person there, apart from a Libyan human trafficker, who can bring the court some workload. Practically all of the incriminating witnesses, the principal incriminating witnesses against the former president, are self-confessed vicious murderers. These people will be coming to give evidence against the former president, and they will be virtually immune from prosecution at the International Criminal Court. In fact, I can assure you they won't be prosecuted at the International Criminal Court. They will also be given new identities and rehoused at the expense of the international community.
In the Philippines, families of victims praised the ICC's decision. So did Amnesty International.
This is not about politics. This is about thousands of lives taken in cold blood and a justice system that failed to protect them. The ICC is stepping in because domestic mechanisms did not. For far too long, impunity prevailed. Today, that era is being challenged.
Estimates of how many people were killed in the crackdown vary. Police in the Philippines say 6,000, but rights groups say as many as 30,000. ICC prosecutors allege Duterte created, funded, and armed death squads to target and kill suspected drug peddlers and users. Duterte has been held in detention in The Hague since March 2025. He hasn't been present in the courtroom for any hearings. He's waived his right to appear. He's 81 and there have been concerns about his health, but judges ruled he's fit to stand trial. Remember I said the Philippines is no longer a member of the ICC? Well, that's because Duterte himself withdrew the country from the court after ICC prosecutors said in 2018 that they would open a preliminary investigation into the violent drug crackdowns. The trial date has not yet been set.